Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will learn how to turn on the on-screen keyboard using 3 simple methods. There are 3 methods, so let's start with the first one. Firstly, right-click on the Windows icon, and then click on Run. After that, type OSK and then click on OK. OSK stands for on-screen keyboard. As soon as you press OK, the on-screen keyboard will open. To check this, I will open Notepad and type using this keyboard. You can clearly see the typed words on the screen, which means the keyboard is working properly. Now let's move to the second method. Click on the search bar and type Control Panel, then click on it. After that, click on Large Icons, and then select Category if needed for better viewing. Now click on Ease of Access, and then click on Ease of Access Center. Inside this menu, click on Start On-Screen Keyboard. You will again see the on-screen keyboard appear on the screen. Now let's see the third method. This is the quickest method because it uses a shortcut key. Simply press Ctrl plus Windows plus O together. As soon as you press this shortcut, the on-screen keyboard will instantly open. That's it. You can use any of these 3 methods depending on what's easier for you. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.